Steve, thanks for having us here. I got to tell you, this is one beautiful location.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having me.
As far as MasterSpa goes, and we'll take a look at your swim spa in a second, they're super excited about us being here, but I want to hear it from you on how you feel about it. So let's take a look.
Okay.
So on a daily basis, what do you do here with your swim spa?
I enjoy it.
Yeah, there you go.
I get in it sometimes multiple times a day. And for me, it's ideal because I have some health issues, and the water aerobics that this provides for me every single day is just a tremendous health benefit.
So let's talk about that for a second. Let's talk about the transition pre-swim spa with health conditions and where you are today. What have you seen the MasterSpa do for you?
I have degenerative disc problems, and I've got an artificial hip and a lot of joint issues. And it's the therapy, it's the hot water and the motion of the waves and the action of the water that makes things very, very manageable for me pretty much on a daily basis.
That's great to hear from the physical perspective of what the swim spa is doing for you, because a lot of people will come looking around at swim spas and they end up with a swim spa. But what was it like before that, before you could exercise in the privacy of your own backyard?
Well, it was a little bit more challenging, and it wasn't convenient. The most convenient thing about the MasterSpa is that it's here every day, ready for my use.
Yes, and by the way, I'll bet that water is the perfect temperature, because it sure looks pretty darn good.
I've tested many different temperatures, and I've honed in on the one that I really like.
What made you decide on this particular model?
This particular model I chose because of its size.
Okay.
I wanted something that was large enough for 4 adults to float around on a raft, and then to have the benefit of the jets. So it really satisfied both of our needs and wants in terms of a backyard swim spa.
So when we talk about the benefit of the MasterSpa as it relates to your family and your health and wellness, that's a big mission statement for MasterSpas. We want people to live a healthy life. We want them to live a better life. Talk to me about the process. When you first saw the opportunity, had you gone out and shopped around, looked at other brands? And if so, why did you choose MasterSpas?
Actually, my wife one day said, there's a spa expo in San Antonio we should go look at since we're in the market for a backyard pool. And I wasn't initially on board with that, but after we got to the showroom and we looked at what MasterSpas had to offer and comparing it to the cost of an in-ground pool, it really was a no-brainer. So to answer your question about did we compare other manufacturers, we did not, because once we saw this one, we knew it was the one that we wanted.
That's great. That's good to hear. Supporting the Made in the USA process that MasterSpa does, you know, we're 100% built in the USA, and knowing that you made that right decision. Would you recommend anybody else buy a swim spa?
Oh, absolutely. I've touted the benefits and my experience with our MasterSpa to pretty much anyone who will listen.
Let's talk about the process of preparing your yard and what that actually took and overcoming the hurdles. You were going to put a pool in, and then of course the pure cost of a pool. And you were telling me a little bit earlier about a spool and relative to the cost, and all of a sudden you're looking at it like a third of the cost for a swim spa versus a pool. Do you feel like it made any sacrifices at all from a spool or pool to a swim spa itself?
No sacrifices at all. In fact, I think that I got tremendously more benefits by doing a MasterSpa over an in-ground pool. Less water to maintain, less chemicals to use, the ease of maintenance. It's just a no-brainer.
That's awesome. If you're looking at the benefits, as we've talked about, the health benefits, the wellness benefits, the physical benefits of it all, what about the mental health? What about the relaxation that you experience in this beautiful environment? How do you feel about that, and has it enhanced you?
It has. I have found that relaxing in the spa gives you a lot of time for mental health. Thinking about projects, family, friends. It's a place where you can just unwind and relax.